I am the Alpha and the Omega, the first and the last. The beginning and the end. There will be no more death, or mourning, or crying, or pain. I am making everything new. Yes, I am coming soon.
Oh my God!
Emotional damage.
If anyone laughs at your faith, pray for them, for the day of judgment will be of no laughing matter.
Blood of Christ, the Lamb without blemish, redeemed us from death and corruption. Do not be ashamed of the crucified. He has saved you by his blood. The Lord.
Eu sou o Alfa e o Ômega, o primeiro e o último. O início e também o fim.
What a loser!